I want to feed Cowie.
Okay, what are you making today for the video?
Kebabs.
What's a kebab? I know.
You know.
Can you show us them? So what did you get to make it? What was this?
Play-Doh and a chopstick.
Okay, Play-Doh and chopsticks. And you put them together to make kebabs? Excellent. What else do you think you're gonna make tonight?
Kebabs.
Just more kebabs?
I think so.
How many are you gonna make?
Maybe 4.
4 kebabs.
Cause that's how much. That's how much.
All right, what's going on the kebabs?
Food.
What type of food?
No, it's food.
Just food. Who's your special guest over there?
Cowie.
Cowie. How long have you had Cowie?
Since we went. Since we went. Chicago. Since we were in Mimi's house.
Mimi's house. Okay. So so people want to do this. What do they need to get?
Food and
Play-Doh and chopsticks. That's it, huh? Okay. Do you want to say anything to the people watching before we quit making this movie?
In real life, you have to use real vegetables.
Okay, vegetables. What type of vegetables? Just vegetables. Would you put meat on it?
Yeah.
What about shrimp on it?
Yeah. Yummy.
Yeah.
Shrimpy.
Okay.
Shrimpy.
Shrimpy now. Okay. That's nice. All right. And here's one of Bella's pieces of art too that she made. And here is one that she colored by herself. Okay, is that it, Bella? Want to say anything else?